let's see. Maybe we get a dip 160 with a tight stop here. A AULR. If not, we can get a dip down here, 150. Then we got SGN from last week. Low volume, penny stock. Pretty much nothing. Nothing moving, nothing strong yet. Okay, look at this. So this went all the way up to 90. I didn't see it, I was looking somewhere else. Back to 60. Alright. I guess we're just gonna keep it tight. Okay. Candle finish green, a lot of selling off here. A lot of buyers still holding. Held right here one more time, 160s. So that means there are buyers at 160. If you hold one more time, that would definitely be clear for me. But it doesn't have to. I think it's good if it holds here. We form a little gap and go above 78 for a move to $2. Here to this one.
ALUR, JVLU, OPDX, IBRX, RGTX, ONDU, ONDU, CRWG, FOSL, OPDN, ATLN, CDIO, ALUR, OPDX, SGNL, LYB, OPEN, CRWG.
Yeah, we're just waiting. Maybe we get a dip here, 160s again, to finally hold. A lot of selling pressure, it seems like. 75s above 80s, 80s.
NBX, OPDX, NBIL, PZO, NBIL, IRE, ISPR, NEBX, BKTX, THM.
So that's what I said, above 78, a gap and go, maybe right at 80. No, I don't like that it came down, but
GDT1.
above 80 could be good. It's not the best action here, it's grindy. We have this weird candle coming up here. But it looks like yeah, 60s was a great area, bounced many times, the gap was right there. The gap acted as support, so now if we get another flush, will it hold?
NEWP, BKTX, IREX, PDL,
Alright, gap and go above 80.
ALUR,
Here we go.
BDMD,
Hold 80.
OPEN,
Is my level 2 lagging?
NEWP,
Yeah, it lagged, right?
BKTX,
What happened? Was it lagging? Hold on.
LG,
Yeah, it looks like I'm lagging a little bit. Level 2 is lagging.
NEWP,
It froze at 80,
BDLO,
and then next thing you know, it's like down at 76, 74. Yeah. Alright.
IRE,
No trades yet. Alright.
LUNR, KNRS,
There's a dip here.
SLS,
60s.
BKTX,
Not the strongest gap here, but it seems to be holding, so
IRE,
every time it comes on here, It seems to be holding. Now let's see it hold.
RCAT.
68. Maybe.
AEHR.
SGN.
TNDM.
Low volume. No, 1 million here. SGN. GOSS.
IBRX. CRWG. OPEN. OIS.
SGN though.
BNDA. RKLX.
What's this? That's like 2
BKTX.
cents.
RCAT.
ANRS. Alright, let's hope we get into this gap then. Gaps and penny stocks on Friday was not good. It was rough. GOSS. Target on this is 70, so maybe we can get 70s here. Alright, that gap is gone. That gap is at 66 by 65, which is not too far. Maybe there's an entry there.
NEWP.
Let me see.
BKTX.
Good strong volume there. 65. Fine, I'll take 65. See if we get a bounce here. Tight stop.
CRWG. TNDM. NBIL.
Yeah. Get it off right there. It was just a little lower. Okay. Good first shot there. I got in just under 66. Went a little lower, tapped this area here. I wish it held that spot. It was already good. A good dip. Okay. Oh, here we go. 55.
BELO. SNXX.
EVM. IKT.
IAUX. TNDM. CWB.
Okay, what was my entry actually? GOSS.
AEHR. TERS.
65.8. Yeah, kept it pretty tight. 65.8. So my entry was up here, right at this high. Went to low 65, and I just didn't want to hold it. But look at that, not bad. All right, maybe I'm looking at the level 2 too much. Even looking at the level 2 a bit too much. All right, we'll wait for our next opportunity.
TERIDX may resume in less than a minute. AEHR.
All right, here we're coming down for another dip. Same gap.
TNDM. IBRX. OCUL.
Want to know which one's going to be the one. Okay, the ULR here, 63. VWAP is 66. We can get a nice little dip under 70 with a stop of 63. It's good. We good.
CRWG. CWVX. AEHR. TNDM. BDMD.
ALUR.
ONDL.
Dip, little dip.
BNDA. OIS.
No dip. Let's go.
CWV.
Oh, there's your dip. Fine. Nice.
CRWG.
Tight. 69.
TNDM.
ALUR.
SLS. BKTX. NUAI.
Level 2 chart looks great. Level 2 looks like it can go. If it goes to 68, yeah, I'm gonna get out. A little lower, 67.
CDT1. RIME. ALUR.
BNDA. TNDM.
BDMD.
BDMD.
Yeah, I'll get in here. I like this. I like this here. Gap and go. 73. Come on.
NPIO.
69 is my stop flat. Break even. Let me get this volume in here.
GTX.
RIME.
ONDL. BATL.
BDMD.
Yeah, again.
BATL.
Okay. Not
BDMD.
pushing. Not pushing. Not pushing. Not pushing.
NDIO.
So we're gonna have to wait.
NAMM.
66, 63. Okay, finally we get a move here.
BNDA.
I want to see volume come in here.
IKT.
BDMD.
So it went to 68, come back down. All right.
FBIO.
So I got 3 trades so far. So I gotta wait for the right spot now. I don't want to take many trades like that. That was good though. That was a nice gap and go.
SNXX.
BATL.
BDMD.
66, 63. That would be the spot
BNDA.
if it wants to go there.
BDMD.
NAMM. BATL.
Look at this thing rejecting.
ONDL.
It's crazy.
BKTX.
Alright, it looked like it was going to do a move. I think if the market was hot, this would have been a nice move to 80s.
QBTX.
Alright, let's see a move here to 60. A nice little dip, 66, 63.
BATL.
And then we can get a nice trade.
BATL. GDXU.
$73 is that high. Nice.
AIDX may resume in less than a minute.
Gap and go at 73 could be good. Some momentum's pushing higher. 5 minute. 5 minutes that big, this huge red candle or green candle with the biggest topping wick ever. That's the only problem. We're trading under the shadow of that candle, but a nice dip could work here. It's a lot of volume, a lot of selling there, so it's accumulating in this area. As long as we don't break below 63, this could still be good. So I'm gonna get a dip here. 66, 63, that could be a nice dip into the gap.
NCI.
Potentially could go lower to 60, so I gotta be ready for that.
AIDX may rise in 10 seconds. HYMC. NAMM. QBTX. IONX.
It's also right under VWAP,
WTI.
so could give a nice bounce.
BDMD.
I want to hold it pretty tight. I don't know if I want to give it enough room. So if it goes to like 64, I buy it, hold it to 60. I don't know.
ONDL.
But that was a lot of, and it was indecision here. Now we're finding some buyers. Let's see. There we go.
TNDM. ASTX.
Okay, not bad. Not bad. You need to hold. You need to hold 77.
CETY.
CETY.
And topping wicks.
ONDL. NAMM. IRE, WDCX, FBIO, TNDM, ASTX, MSTX.
That's a wild move.
CET1.
SNXX, SLS, ONDL. WDCX.
Did come to my gap at 65. I didn't take it. After that rejection, I don't know if I wanted to take it.
MSTX. SNXX. ONDL. NAMM.
Let's see if 63 is going to get bought up. 65 again.
WDCX.
65.
ASTX.
Support at 65. Looks like it's holding. 64.
SLS.
63. I'll buy it. 63. Tight stop.
CET1.
Oh, come on. Super tight. I mean, I'm stopping things too tight, bro.
TNDM. ONDL.
Stopping it too tight. Let me reduce size actually. 1,000 shares.
QBTX.
Ah, I'm like being too timid here. Kind of too afraid of a flush here.
CET1.
CET1.
All right.
TNDM.
ANRX.
All right, my next trade better be a great setup.
KT.
The next trade is going to be a great setup,
NCR.
whatever it may be.
NCR. CET1.
CET1. IBRX.
Here we go. I think they're buyers here in the 50s.
YM18.
Let's see how this is going to hold. 50s, maybe right under 50. There could be buyers as well.
GITS.
So far, 50s held very strong. 50s is holding strong. A lot of green volume here.
GITS.
Back over the gap, 55, 61.
ASTX.
So I would like to see this whole 55 may come down again.
YM18.
Good volume holding it up.
GITS.
MSTX. MSTU. ADHR.
So this was a gap, could have been a gap reclaim here.
GITS.
Nice, 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 nice.
ALUR.
NAMM. IBRX. CONL.
We'll see. If I get another dip right here, 52, 53. I'm gonna hold it. I think it might bounce one more time off 50s. Or it may actually hold this gap too. So I don't want to trade a lot, but there could be two trades, one right here or one down here.
GFALUR.
It's honestly the only thing moving, the only thing with volume. Show 54 there. Let's see. Also don't want to get caught in a flush. Dip under 50s could also be interesting here. Dip under 50s. Or at 50. That's a big 1 minute gap. This is like pushing the trade. I mean, it's not a typical, it's not a typical trade I would normally take, you know? Typical trade I would normally take. I don't see any good setups. All right, quick gap and go here. As we may push away from VWAP, maybe a nice little pop. Maybe a nice little pop here. Maybe a nice little pop. Come on, give me a nice little pop. Stop is 59. I'm in at 60. I'm in at 61. Ah, 61 is not a good entry, but I wish I was in at 60. Alright, we'll give it a try. Push now, 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 nope. Get out. Wanted to see it right away. Yeah, avoided that. Thank you very much. Not ready yet. So there are buyers right here. So we might even pick it up again, 55.
GFALUR. SPALUR.
We'll see. It's 56. What was the lowest? 57. Maybe. There are buyers here. There are people who want to push this higher. I know that. I know that. I know it. All right, let's wait for 65. Ooh, let's wait for 63. We'll see. All right, looks like we have a nice move here. 60.
ALUR.
So now what do we get? A dip to 60s. View up 66. Do we get a dip? I mean, I would love for this to push, but are we going to get a nice dip or what? Or maybe it's just going to hold pretty strong right up here, 66 VWAP.
ALUR.
Nice. Decent. Oh. Dang, there's a wall here. There's a seller there. Somebody market it out, maybe. Because it was like a weird flush. Like it took out many orders there. 66 to 60. That's something I would love to take. That's a gap I am willing to risk something on it. 66 to 60. That looks pretty juicy to me.
LST may resume in less than a minute.
Come on. Come on. for once today. Give a solid gap and 1 minute fair value gap. 68, 58, 59. Ah. I don't know if it's going to. Maybe next candle. Hopefully next candle could do it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to catch up gap and go. Here we go. This candle can do it. 66 to 60.
LST may res in 10 seconds.
YM18. GFA.
Could do it. Under 70. $69.
APLD. MAYS halted.
Buyers are stepping in right under 70 at 69. Is that true? So responding well at 70.
USAR.
But it's not going though. It's holding, but it's not going. So might need a quick reset at 66. It's holding. It's holding, it's holding, it's holding. Here we go. Come on.
USAR.
Don't want to miss the next move, the next leg, the next squeeze. The next squeeze might be similar to what we had before, just like a pop all the way to 90, all the way up to $2, and just like straight back down. So I want to position myself at a good spot. Here it's holding, but it's not going.
And CI.
I would grab a gap and go here at 73. Right, if the next candle wants to go.
USAR.
Next candle wants to go. I'm gonna grab a gap and go right here at 73. Yep, there you go. Ooh, nope. Rejection. Rejection.
QGRD may resume in less than
66, 69. Looking for 66 to 60.
AOI.
Right. Somebody's gonna get squeezed on this. $66 to 60.
QGRD may res in 10 seconds. AOI. USAR. CRML.
Let's see it, come on.
AAOI,
68.
NB,
Tap it. Tapped it
USSR,
at 67. Tapped it at 66. Yes, it did.
MAYS may resume in less than a minute.
Here we go. One more time. Looks like he wants to come down though.
NB, EMUC halted to the upside. USAR,
60's that low.
LITX,
I want to see what price action is going to do.
NSRX halted to the upside. MAYS may res in 10 seconds.
$56 is also VWAP, so it's maybe holding pretty strong. Here we go. Looks like he's gonna come. 65. I'll take 64. A lot of green right there at 64. Immediate green at 64. Stop's gonna be 60 on this. Or maybe I could find it a little lower. Nice. Good. Good bounce. 64 was the spot. 69. 70. What is it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Nice. So I'm gonna get out flat on this if it doesn't work,
Why have 18?
as I think it's going to might go lower if it doesn't hold. So 71. So I'm in at 64. So that's 4. I'm looking for 8 cents for a 2-to-1, 12 cents. Looking for 12 cents. So that's going to be 76. 76 for a 3-to-1.
Why have 18?
70 for a 2-to-1. No, 72 for a 2-to-1. So looking for this to hold. Getting off flat.
Why have 18?
USAR,
Nice. Come on.
Are you being
Dang.
LUN,
All right. Stopping at 64. Willing to get lower.
CRML, RCAT,
We dip 66 one more time. 67. Top of the gap. Nice.
CRML,
Come on.
NSRX may resume in less than a
Don't
minute.
want to see it down here again, bro.
EMUC may resume in less than a minute.
The volume is on our side. I don't know.
IRNX,
Why have 18?
Come on. Ooh, nice dip. It said it went to 62. Didn't actually go there. That's actually very good for me. Very good for me.
CRML.
As long as the buyers kick in. Come on, buyers. Buyers. Buyers step in. Buyers step in.
NSRX may rest in 10 seconds. PWC may rest in 10 seconds.
Dang.
YM18.
No, don't go to 64, bro. Don't go to 64.
PMEC.
CRML.
65 is strong. Really don't want it to go to 64. It looks like it's gonna give one more dip to shake people out.
AIDX halted down.
Hopefully shook people out right there, 65. I got a great entry at 64 and a half.
PMEC.
Like, don't go down there. Um,
GNPX.
GNPX.
64. Bounce. Don't want to step out at 64. Went to 63. Bounce. Come on. It wants to stop me out so bad, bro. It wants to stop me out. Come on. It still looks pretty good. I'm seeing buyers here, bro. I'm seeing buyers.
NEWP.
Ooh. Okay, that's maybe the sign that I need to stop out here. Let's see. Hold 60. Back over 60. Need to do reduce risk here.
CRML. UBIX.
YM18.
Buyers, there are a lot. It's green though. I need to see this green. I would love to see this green. Don't want to reduce risk here, but it might be wise to reduce risk.
PX.
Taking half off right there for a little loss.
CRML.
Break 60. I'm gonna have to get out.
GNPX. UBIX.
Dang it. Yeah,
SLS.
59 again. Back over 60. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Dang it, bro. What a stock, man. What a stock. So,
IRE.
stopping me out.
YM18.
There's going to be a gap reclaim
YM18.
just to stop me out.
NEWP. AIDX may resume.
You have white mat here.
ONDG. ONDS.
And CR.
62 there. 60. I don't think I've had a single winning trade today, have I?
UBIX.
Maybe one that was like $7, which was flat, so it's not even count.
ALUR. IRD.
I still think this areas could be good here.
DMEC.
It's just gonna hold 60. You know,
ONDS.
went down here to 58, back over 60.
DMEC.
ALR.
Hmm. I got this move here that was not great. Then are we gonna get a good move?
IRD.
Damn, I'm down like $100 already. I like this. Back over 60.
CD item. YM18.
This could be good, man. This could be good. Let's see what this gives. Yep, that could be good. Back over 60 with strength. All right. Confirm the strength here. 61. A gap and go here.
YM18.
SLS.
No. Fake out. Dang it. I was so close to taking it, bro. So close to taking it. No, no, no. Can't be taking silly trades. I need my setup. I'm gonna try this here. Because I think at 60 we have buyers. At 60 we have a strong buyers. I've been watching this price action here. If it was going to break, it would have broken already. So let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Stop's gonna be 59. Nice, 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 bro. Can I get 70 out of here?
And TCL.
Green. I need to see green. Green. I need to see green. Por favor.
UBIX.
Good. A lot of volatility here. Hmm. 64. There you go. There you go. Squeeze these guys out. Squeeze them out. Squeeze. Squeeze them out.
ALUR.
There you go. Let's form a gap here. 62. 62 is that low. What's this? 67. I'm holding flat.
and TC held.
Holding flat, got nothing to lose. Have nothing to lose and everything to gain here. Holding flat.
YS
5 minute looks amazing for a push. 5 minute looks amazing for a
And
short
TC
squeeze.
held.
So this could be a red candle. I'm fine with this. But if it wants to turn green, I'm fine with that too. Okay, good. Red candle now. We need to see in the 70s. In the 70s. 72. What's this high here? 82. Could we see 82?
And TC held.
I mean, that would be the day, right? So let's see. Let's hold this.
AC XP.
Squeeze, baby.
UVIS.
Squeeze.
UVXY.
Squeeze. Squeeze. I gotta be ready for a false breakout too. We could flush here down to 50, so I gotta be ready for that as well. It might be an aggressive short, trying to just stuff this move. So I'm stopping break even basically. Nothing to lose and everything to gain.
And TC held.
Nothing to lose and everything to gain. So we're holding this. So this entry was based strictly on price action. My entry was based strictly on price action. And what I was seeing for like the past like 15 minutes. So if you hold this area, that would be great. You could even go down to 62 and call that and bounce off 62. But we're looking for a bigger move here. I think we got a great low. We have a great low right here.
AOLD.
$62. I want to see this.
NC I halted down.
Push. Hold 62. We knew it was going to come to 62. $66 is VWAP. Just a nice little pop. Put some fear on the shorts. Put some fear on the short sellers. And then you guys can have the rest of the day. Trying to get this trade. Trying to get my trade of the day here. Put some fear on the pants of these short sellers. Don't want to get stopped out. But reading my price action, it seems that it's getting stuffed at 60. So it all depends on this candle here. I'm being aggressive because the 5 minute looks great. Right here, bull flag right under VWAP. With volume. Come on, just squeeze these guys out, bro. It's time. It's time you give a big move. A massive move. Come on. Can I get a massive move here? It's that time of the day. 67, what was it? High 69. 65 now, 66. 66 is VWAP. Come on. You need to hold 63. If this candle makes a new low, it might not work. It might get rejected. So dang it. Hold. Hold. Nice. Nice hold. Nice hold. That candle did not make a new low. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Don't make a new low. Don't make a freaking new low, dude. Mass, yeah, 62. I'm getting out. So it's making a new low. All of that for 2 cents, bro. All of that for 2 cents. Okay, what's happening here? Looks like
AKAM. UVXY.
56 held. This thing's been holding. So if I get a squeeze here, I was probably in too early on it.
UVXY.
But we can get 60. What time is it? 11. We'll see. Okay. Could this be it? 60 again. I'm recognizing that 60 is a pretty decisive area.
MSTZ.
So
MC, I may resume in less than a minute.
have to see. Gonna have to see here.
UVXY.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. So there it is. All right. I don't have that trade at 60,
MSTZ.
but I will have this trade here at 61. 60 again.
UVXY. NC, I may rise in 10 seconds.
Yeah, I'll take 60. Super tight stop here.
BMNZ.
I think we have a top of the gap setup right here. Right above that gap. The gap is a 1 cent gap. So
UVXY.
maybe we can curl here. Nice. Cool. 63. Come on. We want that squeeze. We're looking for that squeeze.
MSTZ.
No, no rejection. Come on, no rejection. No rejection. Come on.
GNPX.
Don't want to get stopped out for some
UVIX.
BS.
YM18.
You may see here 59. Or can we hold 60? Ah, 59. Shoot. Okay. What are we doing here? You hold 59.
MSTZ.
Back over 60 is important. It's important that we go back over 60 here. Nice. Oh, it's 59 again. It's so indecisive, you know? And trading these stocks is just kind of annoying.
MSTZ.
Now we have a red gap here.
MAYS halted.
15. It could go to 58. If it goes 58, I'm gonna have to stop out.
NEWP.
I don't want to be holding this here, honestly. But 59.
EMNZ.
59 is a little gap. It's holding 59. Could get back over 60.
MSTZ.
61. We have descending resistance here from all these topping wicks. We could get out here. We could break out rather.
USAR.
I know it's coming. It is coming. Oh, 59, 60. Okay, good. Good. Back to 59. It goes to 58. Probably need to stop out.
CRML. NCI may resume in less than a minute.
Nice. 62. 63. Good. Good, 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 good. Let's break out of this resistance here. So as you can see, we're drawing
CRML.
this huge line here
MSAR.
from one topping wick to another. And based on that, I think we can finally get a breakout if we break this resistance here. We tried it here. We got out for a 2-cent winner. Here, now it's much lower. 60s is kind of like an area where it's I've been watching it, and 60s has been reacting very strong. This is strictly, a lot of it is price action, and what I'm seeing in the level 2, what I'm seeing in the chart, that it's always bouncing out 59, 60. If it's at 59, it's going back over 60. Good, so we got a nice trade here. Can we get the squeeze of the century? So stop right here is break even, basically. So I'm hoping this is going to work. Yeah, because here if it rejects, it's just confirmed weakness, right? So here, this area, what you're looking for if you're bullish, it's this, for this thing to not give many, like a pullback. All right, you're at the lows, you're not looking for a pullback down to 57 here. That just means it's weak. I'm looking for this to like kind of hold right here. If it's going to be red, it's going to hold. It's going to accumulate right here. Or for a continuing squeeze. So we got a good entry there. Now let's get this going.
CRNAYS may resume in less than a minute.
So again, my reasoning is watching price action in this area right under VWAP. If it was weak and if it was going to fail, it would have failed like right here, right here, right here, right here, many areas. But it hasn't failed, right? It also hasn't broken out. We have news. You got a huge topping wick, so I'm looking for at least a big push to maybe 90s, and then if it wants to top wick, fine, whatever. But I get out like in the 90s. Yeah, I'm looking for the bigger play here. But I'm also willing to just take it right here at 77, 80, if it's not going to do it. If it's just going to grind. So hopefully this is good. My stop is going to be break even. So I've been watching this for a while. It went down here to 56, got reclaimed that area, back over 59, 58. And whenever it went back over 61, it kind of played around for a bit. Then I drew this line and I'm thinking, okay, if we're able to get above this line, this resistance, descending resistance, then we might see something interesting here. So, and that's what we did. And we also formed the gap, right? It's a 1 cent gap, which is pretty weak, pretty narrow, but enough to give us confidence that, okay, like a gap is formed, there might be some buyers right there. And yeah, there were buyers for 59, the low of the gap. So now we have to wait. We have to let this one cook a little bit, see if we're able to hold. My stop is break even. I want to see this thing push. I want to bring fear to these shorts. Hopefully buyers start to step in and we get to see some shorts panic a little bit and we get to get a nice squeeze.
I may resume in less than a minute.
You also have this one here, SGN, which made a high day move. This could have been a good dip, 68. Big range, 66 to 69. No, 3 cents. I guess it's big considering the range. Been holding right under VWAP. I wish it was holding above VWAP. All right, here we go. Might not work. But stop is going to be 60. Dang it. Okay, back over 60. So that's why you have a good entry here. So went to 59, didn't panic sell. Hoping this is just a nice dip to grab some buyers. Come on, grab some buyers. Grab some buyers. Okay, back over 60. We need to see this, bro. We need to see this. 62. I need to see 62 here. I really need to see 62. I'm gonna have to get out. Okay, getting out there. Sadly, it is not working. Sadly, the plan failed. It might happen, but unable to get it. Here we go. This one gave a nice dip here. Nice, right? 68. Looks like I got stopped out and that it was actually going to work there. Is he going to do it this time? This is what I wanted to see here. Ah, dang it. So I got stopped out right there. So we'll see here. This looks like it's going to be the squeeze. That looks like it's going to be the squeeze. Man, that's the squeeze I wanted to see. Maybe I can get a dip at 66. 63 is that low.
NC I may rise in 10 seconds.
ALUR.
Maybe I can see a dip at 66. 67. 68. No, low that at 68. That's the move I wanted to see.
WULF.
68.
TDMC
Projecting here.
ASTX.
So, right. So we have a gap here, which is going to be 69 to 63. Ooh. I wanted 65, but I got 67. Okay. Darn it. Darn, 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 darn. What are we gonna do? I don't have a good fill. I have a good fill, but the setup looks great. Darn it. Stop still 63. I wanted 65. When I saw 65, I pressed it, but I got filled basically almost 67. Oh. Darn. Maybe we do get a bounce. That would be sweet. Might be better off trading SGN. Look at that. That's nice. I'm sure why am I trading this thing? Let's trade it so much better. Okay. Well, let's see. I'm already too late on SGN. I'm also now in this trade.
WULF.
Stock selection today. Not the most. Not the best. But I'm sticking to my setup, I guess. 63, the gap is 68 to 69. So we're looking for a push here. For that aggression to continue to 80. Man, can we get a squeeze here? At 11:30, can we get a squeeze? Come on, can we get a squeeze? Can we get a proper squeeze?
NC I halted to the upside.
and CI.
SGN is also doing really well. All right, 11:30 squeeze. Come on.
And CI.
Nice. Come on. Come on. Good.
TBMC halted.
Looking for 80 here.
And CI.
Stop his break even. I'm looking for this to go now. I was gonna get out 400 here, but I want to get that. I want to get the full move, you know. I have a target all the way to $2, but I don't think we'll get there. But there are many shorts here. That's the thing. There are many shorts in this thing, so this thing can squeeze. Shorts might be really trapped on this. I don't want to let it go just yet. Come on. Don't give a BS false breakout, man. Come on. Nice.
ASTI.
ALUR.
All right, fine. I'll take 300, 400 right there. Come on. Where was that exit actually? 73. Okay, not bad.
ASTX. ASTS.
SGN, very nice. SGN have a target at 90, so if we get a dip here. Okay, stop his break even on the rest. Come on.
ASTX.
What is this low? 70?
Halted to the upside.
Yeah, needs to hold 70, I think.
ASTS. KLAR.
Needs to hold 70. Needs to tap 70. Buyers come in here at 70. And then we squeeze. Mega squeeze. Okay, here we go. Tap 70. Buyers. Bro.
PYPL.
Nice. 72. Good. Let's go.
ASTX. NC I may rest ASTS.
PYPL.
PYPL. TBMC may resume in less than a minute. DC.
69. Okay, yeah, so I need to see 70 again. 70, 68, 70 again, 70, 70. Nice. Okay, 70, nice. So that's the top of the gap. So I'm waiting for this to bounce off 68, 69, get back over 70. That would be a great bounce here.
EYP no.
That would be an amazing bounce.
And CR.
DC.
PYPG.
PYP no.
And CR.
Yeah, I'm getting out right here. Whatever, it's not working. Should have bounced already. 66 is that, but I don't want to hold that.
NSTX.
Ah, dude. What a struggle, huh? Struggle to get a solid move.
PYP no.
Maybe I'm looking for too much. 67 all the way to 74. Maybe I'm looking for too much. Looking for a move like this one, you know. This is like 66.75, so that's 10 cents. So I guess you get 10 cents from 64 to 74. But, nah. Alright, here. Could this be good? Could this be good? 74? 74.6? 74? I'll take it. Super tight stop. Super tight stop. It needs to go to 75 now. Yeah, it's not gonna go. Dang it. Alright. $16 there. Okay, this is a 5-minute gap though, right here.
And CR.
It's a 5-minute gap.
EYP no may resume in less than a minute. NCIST to upside.
Dip 72. I could take a dip here, bro.
AOLD.
PYPG.
EYP no may rise in 10 seconds.
And CR.
Alright, cool. So
AOLD.
this went into the gap and I missed it.
PYPG.
1 second. Okay, here we go. This could be good actually. So I think it has shifted from holding 60s, now we're holding 70s, right? So it used to be like right under 59, right under 60, 59, 58, back over 6, back at 60, 61. Now I think it's kind of doing the same thing, but now at 70s, where it's gonna go under 70, and it's gonna get right back up here. So let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna get in here. Okay, fine. 69. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. This is good. That massive volume, that's excellent. That's huge. 69.
CRWG.
Oh, 67. Shoot, 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 shoot. Don't want to see this. Don't want to see this. Don't want to see this. Ah, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I'm losing a little bit too much here. Yeah, I gotta get out. Ah, my idea was wrong. Top of the gap here. Not holding. 61 now. It had to go there. Next thing I know, it was 67, and I had to get out. Dang it, lost 4 cents there.
CRWV.
Dang.
CRWU.
Okay, here we go. This one could be good. $63.
PYPY may resume in less than a minute.
What am I looking at? 63. Okay, that was fine. Dang it. I needed 1 more second to look into it. 5 minute looks fine. Yeah.
CRWU. CRWV.
Hmm. All right, looks like SGN is a better stock here. I took 2 losses, but I think this could be good. So 74 there. I think it could break this red gap. Let's see. Let's see what it wants to do. A little slower. Slower day. And we're losing. Oh, we're down. Jeez, we're down 120. Okay, I gotta be careful, man.
DHUB.
I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. I'm like taking it very lightly, but I'm actually pretty red. So the target on this one is 90 cents. So SGN could give a great move. I mean, I've missed all these dips. These were all great trading this one, trading the other stock, but this could be excellent here. $55 to $74.
DHUB.
All right. Oh wait. Um. No, I don't like this red gap. Oh wait. All right. Turned out to be that was a good spot. Excellent. So now we're gonna go for a bigger breakout here. 75. This is looking interesting here. Could it dump? Is it gonna dump or are we gonna hold? Man. Don't wanna see this. 76 here. What's it gonna be? SGN has been so much better, I think. So 75 will be that gap. $76. Basically, yeah, that was basically a good spot. 76. Because this is basically 75. Yeah. Oh, darn it. That was a good spot. We'll see if we can get it. Get a nice little dip in there. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Ah, I missed this whole move, honestly. Ah, that's annoying. It's really annoying. A lot of volume here. No buy, no dump. Holding this gap here, which is kind of like a gap between this candle and kind of this gap here that's held before 59. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna hold? And then this one goes to 78.80. Ah, come on, bro. I'm missing the stock, I'm missing the trades. I'm gonna be missing both. Dang it. Will this be a dip? Maybe this is a nice dip here. And then a continuation move higher. I'll take this. All right.
MC, I may resume in less
I
than
think
a
this could
minute.
be a good dip. Tight stop. At least a retest of 79. Nice, come on. Come on, SGN. Show me some love. Show me some love. Give me some love here, right here, right here. Don't dump. Green. Show me some love.
MC, I may
Show me
represent
some
that.
love here. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Show me some love.
And see on.
I don't know if it wants to go actually, man. The volume is really low. It's 20 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I don't think it's gonna go, but I'll take that. Because we have this one here. Okay, is it time?
And see on.
Is this it? 63, 60. Rejecting this gap here. 67 is that high. This one too. Which gap? Which bearish gap are we going to reject? All right, if this is strong. Oh, it's not strong. Or I was thinking, you see, that spot is a key spot. I know these spots. I know them very well. All right. 73 to 71. I could grab that. Depends how bad it wants to flush. All right. What's the damage today? 112. Okay. We can recover this, man. We can recover this very easily. This has been, I've gone down to 112 on a bunch of trades, bunch of paper cuts. So I know we can get a nice trade that's gonna wipe away this red day. So kind of being patient and waiting for the right setup. This was such a great setup, man. I missed that. Missed this one too. That was great. This one was great too. So SGN has some moves. So hopefully it's not the end of SGN and we got some more moves later. All right, looks like we should have failed, but we didn't actually fail. So we're gonna take a dip right here. Or rather, we're gonna take a trade on 64. So right here, 64 by 65 right here. 63. I like this area a lot. This is a gap and go right here. I want to see if we see 63 one more time. You might not even see it, so I'll get in here. So looking for a push here. Stop is going to be 63, 62, maybe. Yeah, around there. Looking for this gap and go right here. So, it might fail. But I like this volume. I like this green candle. I like that we bounced off this area. So we have to go right. We have to go. Yeah, this is good. 60. Oh, gosh, come on. Come on. Okay, fine. Out 62 there. All right, it's gonna be a really awful day, huh? Down 146 on the day. I'm really pushing trades today. I shouldn't be pushing these many bad trades. All right, looks like we got a squeeze here. That's what I was looking for right here. Yeah. Was it here? Somewhere around here. But anyway, I think 60 is the best spot. Like here was just too much.
And see.
Let's see. 64. One more trade? Let's size down 100, 1,000 shares. Ah, that sucks, bro. That really sucks. Because I looked for this one a lot of times and the actual trade was right here at 60. Let's see. Can we get a dip into this gap? Will we get a dip? We've gotten a dip before. But honestly, don't know. It's hard to say whether we'll get it. Hopefully we get it. 67 to 64. Yeah, let's do it. Let's wait for that candle to close. Let's get a dip here at 66. I'll take 66. Come on, 66. Looks like we might get a push over 71. Push over 71 for a gap and go, for a squeeze, or we're gonna get a dip at 66 to 64. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What is it going to be? 69?
CRML.
Can we get this dip?
CRML.
$67 to $64.
And see on.
NCI halted to the upside.
We'll see here. There's an agenda being played here. There's an agenda at play here. All right, here we go. Come on, come on. It's holding. It's not coming down. Suspiciously, it's held suspiciously well, above, right under VWAP, above 50s, above 60s. Now let's get this dip. Now let's get this dip. Come on.
CRML.
DD. WS.
Interesting dip here. I like that. I like this. Two times right under this level. Because I do have a stop on this, a target on this 90. This could be really good, actually. So looking for a dip on that, and then I got this dip, but I just saw it from the corner of my eye. Maybe already too late. We'll see. All right, we'll see.
CRML.
66. 66 here, 64. There we go, beautiful. Okay. Hold 64. 66. 67.
CRML. SBIT.
We would like this to hold. We would like this to hold.
CRML. SBIT.
I see SGN probably making a big move here.
NC, I may resume in less than a minute.
People are buying 67. Got an order out 67. Maybe get it out. I like SGN a lot there. We'll cancel that. Wait for that. I like SGN. This could come down really fast. So I can't trade two at the same time. I'm gonna have to give something up here. Come on.
NC, I may res in 10 seconds.
SGN is moving here.
SVIT.
I like SGN. Okay, let me trade SGN.
And CI.
Ah,
SGHD.
a nice trade right there, SGN. Going through these. We have a red gap
NC, I
here.
halted to the upside.
We have a red gap. We have a red gap. 57.68 now. This one. SGN could do it. I mean, I have a target SGN 90 cents.
And CI.
Could work.
SGHD.
This one is actually working. But I like SGN. Yeah, let me take a second and analyze the potential here. 74. We have a red gap. Nice dip right here, right? 72. Okay, the one trade I decide not to freaking hold. Oh man. So we have a gap right here, 69 to 71. This could be the squeeze, honestly.
NC, I may res in 10 seconds.
Fuck. That's annoying. That's so annoying, man.
ALUR.
That's so annoying. That's so annoying, man. All day waiting for us, or all day waiting for the trade, man. I get it. I sell because this other one is moving, and I'm thinking this thing is just not gonna do it. The one trade I decide not to hold. The market's been quite slow. Let's see. Let's see.
ALUR.
Maybe we can capitalize here.
IONC.
Okay, shorts might be getting a little nervous here. So looking for a dip.
Go NC.
Hmm. There's a one to dip. $75.
See, I halted down. ETHD.
Could work.
SBIT.
I'd be looking for a continuation to $2. Here we go. Then I got them go here above 78. Hmm. 78 right there.
TBMC halted.
You hold 78. Hold 78. Hold 78. Let's do it. I'm betting that it holds 78 here. Nah. That's unfortunate. Not fun. Dip 74 maybe. Yeah, it's like difficult to trade it up here. If I'm not trading it, I had the entry here. That's like the move, you know? That's like my 20-cent move that I've been looking for all day. Now, dang it, man, I missed it. Oh, missed it. Well, what's the damage? They 152. All right.
MSTZ.
I mean, there's a potential dip all the way up down to 69.
TNDM.
No, doesn't want to go red.
I may resume in less than a minute.
75.
TNDM.
Could be a dip right here, 74 to 69. If it wants to do it. I hope it does it. We'll see. No sellers here. Low volume. Low volume moving.
NC, I may rest in 10 seconds.
CRG.
75 was here. Right there, 75. Here we go. 80. Another gap and go. Let's do it. Can we do it now? At 80. 80 is a much better number. Much better area here.
MSTZ.
15 seconds. 80 could be good. Just have to make sure it holds on this next candle.
May resume in less than a minute. GNPS.
80. 80. 80. All right, let's do it. 82.
TND.
My goodness, 82.
And see.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Ah, yes. Yes, got it. That's incredible. All right. All day for that trade, man.
And see.
That's incredible. Okay. What's it going to be now? Shorts are in trouble? Are we pushing this to $2? I mean, to think that I had to trade right here at 64, you know?
THD.
Gotta keep the faith, gotta keep the hope.
UBIM.
83, I don't know. I don't know.
MSTZ.
Our shorts are still in trouble. A lot of volume here.
UBXY.
ALUR.
ETHD.
Could be.
UBIM. UBXY.
And I was looking for a dip right here. That would have been awesome. A dip. Boom, boom, bang. Ah, that would have been awesome. I'm green on the day, 30 bucks. 87 to 83. Maybe there's a little dip there. I don't know. SGN could still be a good one today. I'm still watching that. So I'll keep watching this. Oh, dip right there. 85. Darn it. Looked away. Looked away. Looked away for that dip. Dang, dang.
TZ.
Shorts are pretty in trouble. Back to 89. What's it gonna be? 87 to 83. Maybe another low. Hmm. Okay, I'm interested in this dip actually. If you're going to recover,
and see
come on, 72, a little lower. A little lower. Maybe I'll take 1,000 shares here. No, come on, 2,000 is good. A little lower.
and see
Maybe we have also moved back to $2. Nice, nice move back to $2. 95. Is it able to hold 95? Accumulate at 95. Come on. Okay, okay. Okay. Good.
and see
95. You can go to 94, 93, but I want to see it back at 95 here. Nice. We're going to go for this break of 2. Gap and go here. 95. 96. Okay. I'm going to keep this real tight. Ooh, 93, 92. Back over 95. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, here we go. SGN, huh? Okay, this one back over 95. Oh, tricky, 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 tricky today. Good one here, all the way up there. Good one here, all the way up here. Respecting this bearish gap. Oh, I get look. One more time. Is it? Is it going to do it?
and see
All right, we'll stay patient. Maya, 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 Maya. Here, here, here. Is this worth here? 85, 84, 83. Ah, too high. I'm too high in here. Dang it. I'm too high. I'm getting out. That's too high for me. Although it's holding. I wanted it at 84. Ah, not quite the spot I wanted it at. Hmm. Saw it linger there for some time. Yeah. Gonna get out for a small loss. 83 there. Yeah, it's coming down. Looks like we're going to be done with today. Where was my entry? 85 to 85 8. So like basically almost 86. Yeah, that was not a good entry there. Man, 83 is holding, dude. That gap held very well, 83. Down. Okay. Not gonna hold. My target was, oh my gosh, back over 83. Gap reclaim. Most definitely I will take a gap reclaim. I would happily take a gap reclaim. Basically 84 here. Ah, come on, 85. All right, I'm pushing this thing too much here. All right, I'm pushing. I'm trading too much now. I'm trading too much, and now I really don't know what I'm doing, and I'm like ready to go. It's 12:50. All right. Do we get a nice trade here? 73, 72. One little trade here. Dang, man. Every time I look at this, I trying to see how the price is gonna move in the gap, and I'm already too late. You know? I'm already late.
I already have.
Dang. Target on this is 90 cents. So I know we can get it.
8STX.
Alright, we're gonna have to wait. Alright, back from lunch. Let's see. Can we get a dip here? 70s?
COZX.
76? Ooh, breaking that. But could still work, huh? Back over 70, what is it? 76, 76. So again, back it's back over that. It could be good. As long as it holds. Nice. Yeah, I'll take it. Why not? 771. Cool. Took a pretty nice trade here. Nice bounce. Hopefully this is the best trade of the day here. Pretty calm and relaxed. Beautiful. I'm gonna take something out right here. 78.8. I'll take 1,000 out for 1 penny. Good bounce. Nice. Okay. Half out right there. See if we get a nice move. The rest to break even. Mm. So this was a gap reclaim, right? So it dips below it, we watch it, we see how it develops, gets back on the gap. I see a green volume, and we just got to take it. Let's see, can we push this? Hold 78, that would be sweet. 78, come on. Ooh, no, no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Big, it got spready there. It got pretty spready. It got pretty spready there. Okay, I'll get out. Okay, I was gonna say that I already pressed it. All right. That will be the last trade of the day. I was hoping it would hold, but it got pretty spready. I didn't see what I wanted to see, and look at that, look at that. Excuse me. Look at that. Coming down much harder. So this was a last attempt to make a last ditch effort to make a comeback. But finally got green on the day. Green on the stock and green on the day. All right. So good trading back from lunch. All right, let's get out of here. Let's just be done. All right, we're gonna finish here up. Oh my gosh, 2 hours. All right, let's make it quick. So long recording. We waited a lot. We were patient. We took a lot of crappy trades. And yeah, I mean, we gave it a lot of attempts. We gave AULR a ton of attempts. Let's see if I can do flag and I can select all. Yep. So a lot of attempts here, here, on a, was this a gap? Here, gap and go, I believe. Here on the gap, out. Here on the gap and go, out flat. Here on a gap and what happened here? Did I? Yeah, out flat. Yeah, so I held this gap and this gap, basically a gap and go, which was a lot of reading the price action and reading what's happening in the level two. Hold on a second. SGN. SGN, I have a target at 90. I just try to take a trade on that. Okay, anyway, let's keep reviewing. So, trade here. Yep. Another trade on the gap, and I sell here 73, some of it, and I sell the rest flat. Here on the gap and go, eat a bad loss. Red on the day. Another one here, eat a bad loss. Bro, the one trade I gotta hold, 1 minute fair value gap, sell for like 2 cents. Right here. Why? I just thought it wasn't going to work. Whatever. Anyway, ends up making a massive move to 80s, and I'm thinking that's the one. That's got to be the one. I'm done. It's done. Anyway, it's still holding. I take a gap and go here. It fails. And I'm thinking, man, it's still holding. There's a gap right here, so I'm waiting for a dip. Dip doesn't come. Gap and go one more time. In at 81. Almost 82. Bang. Magic. Magic, magic, magic. 82 to 201. Basically, like 20 cents. Took a few more trades, which is these were kind of just like winding down trades. You know, I'm like feeling hot. I'm feeling like I'm in rhythm. So I'm trying to take another trade, like capitalize on this good confidence, this good rhythm that I have. So I just these are kind of like nonsense trades. So I gotta calm my nerves. I gotta calm my adrenaline. You know, you got to think about me being red the entire day and then now getting a massive move here. Getting a massive move and thinking, okay, now we can talk about, now we can capitalize on the stock, you know? So I got to calm my nerves and not take crappy trades. Anyway, so very good trade right there. Massive move, gap and go, beautiful. SGN. Yeah, we took a few trades there. I don't think, yeah. So the last one is not there, but basically, so you can just go back a few minutes, like a minute or two, and you'll see my last trade on it. Yeah, good dip here. Very slow. Didn't think it would work. Got it out. Whoops. Excuse me. Here we go. Yeah, first trade of the day was this. What was this? Was this a yeah, gap? 1 minute, 1 minute fair value gap. Ended up going a little lower. Maybe I shouldn't have stopped out. It went all the way up to 69. Hard to say. Hard to say. I was kind of staring at the level too much. Anyway, that's pretty much it. And then one little loss right here. So AULR gave me a lot of trouble. As you can see, many red trades, a lot of red trades, accuracy 42%. But I had the plan. The plan was that trade, that breakout, that squeeze. Got 182. I wish I was in from the 60s. There was opportunity to get there on the 60s. Let's take a look. So the opportunity to get on the 60s was here on this rejection, and it held. And you know sixes was holding. You know, although you didn't have a strong gap, maybe, but off just price action, it's that. That's what it is. Sometimes that has to override the gaps. Price action sometimes has to override the gaps. Or maybe it has to override them always. You know, it's development as a trader. You develop your strategy, you get it more, you get a better idea of how to trade it. Okay, look at this. SGN. This is the trade I wanted to see here. I don't have a level 2 up and running. I think we're gonna see 90. Hold on. All right. What do we got? So, are we gonna see 90, 80s? There's a nice dip at 80s. There's a window here from 72 to 93. So that's the window right here. Ooh. SGN.
NVIL.
All right. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is this gonna be worth it? One more trade. 80s holding. 79. Is that stop? Can I see it at 79? Eighty. 80 held. All right, we'll be patient. Is this gonna hold? 79?
And see.
So far, not so much. All right, that's a good spike right there. All right, I'm done. Okay, that was a good one, but it's choppy. All right, I'm done trading. I'm done. All right, so no trade. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Let's look at our month, actually. Let's look at our month. Yes. So, okay, starting the month green. Good job coming back. Red to green today. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your accounts, try our free trading analysis tool, add your file, and then you click select a broker and click analyze, and you'll see a really awesome view. So go check it out. Check out our features. These are all awesome features. We also have dark mode and light mode. So yeah, check it out. Check us out. So this is light mode. Light mode is really nice, actually. Now that I think about it, very nice. Seeing it one more time. I usually use dark mode, but this is quite nice. Anyway, so come try it for 7-day free trial, 5 a month, 50 a year. Awesome prices. I'm releasing new features pretty soon, man. It's been taking me a little bit of time to release a tagging feature, but it's coming and it's coming and it's coming in hot. So a lot of users, a lot of the traders have been asking for it. I know it's a very common feature that I should probably have, but it's coming. It is coming, and it's in the next week, couple of weeks or so. Anyway, hit me up on Discord if you have any questions. You need help with trading, need help with the platform. Let me know. So connect with me on Discord. So I'll see you tomorrow with more trading.